getting to know you, getting to know all about you, getting to like you, getting to hope you like me.
Hi Red Hawks, this is Miss Proctor. I'm going to be your music teacher.
What's up, Mary C. Williams family? I'm Mr. Peterson. I'll be your physical education teacher this school year, and I look forward to working with you guys. Peace out.
Hello, Red Hawks. I'm your art teacher. I'm Mary C. Williams. My name is Miss Radaba. And right now, I am the I in kind. But when you get here, I cannot wait for you to be the I in kind. Bye, y'all.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Higgins, and I am going to be your librarian and your technology teacher. I can't wait to see your smiling faces. Let's get this school year started.
Good afternoon. We wanted to introduce ourselves. We're your support staff. I'm Miss Adcock.
And I'm Ann Hemming.
And we are your school social workers. So we are all excited to meet you guys in person, which hopefully will be soon. But for now, we'll be talking with you about any needs that you may have regarding school, or maybe some needs at home or in the community. And we will be talking with parents and making sure that they've got everything they need so that they can help you guys while you're online.
So we're looking forward to getting to know the students that we haven't yet met, and looking forward to seeing you guys yet again this year and meeting many of the new parents. So let's have a great year.
Yeah, welcome.